guys, Doodle here and welcome to another video. Today we're concentrating on decorating the tree. I'm going to put some Christmas decorations up because I usually do it on the 1st of December, but I thought I'd just do it a bit earlier this time, just to make the video. I haven't got a lot of patience when it comes to untangling a load of Christmas lights and things like that when they get tangled up. It's really frustrating because you're trying to untangle them and it's just getting into more and more of a mess. So either I've cut that bit out or fast forwarded that bit. Yeah, so well, I hope you enjoy the video and have a good look at the tree. Trouble with tinsel and things like that, it all gets all over the floor, all the glitter from everything just scatters everywhere. So again, I have to get the hoover out, the shark, and give it a good hoover in the hall because you can't see it on camera, but there are a lot of bits stuck in the carpet. Bits of all sorts really comes off of these decorations that have been in the box for a whole year. So what I'm going to do is give it a good old vacuum in here and a vacuum in the lounge as well, because as you can see in the lounge, it's just a disaster area. I've got boxes everywhere. They've been laying around for a few days actually, and I really want to sort of sort them out now, put them back in the storage cupboard, take what I need out of them. That's why I'm decorating, so I can get it all back, the boxes back in the storage cupboard for now, and get it all sort of clean and ready for the festive season. I have to be prepared early this year, because obviously, hopefully, all being well, my granddaughter's coming over, my daughter and my son-in-law. With this new variant of COVID, or strain of things, it's just something new. It just seems to be something new every sort of 5 minutes, really. So you have to play it by ear with that as well. But I'm hoping that all will be well for over the Christmas time.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Gone a bit more minimal this year. I've got less lights for a start. Last year's 1,000 lights and it was just ridiculous. So I've only got enough lights for a 5-foot tree this time, and it's been a lot easier to put them on. Everything's a lot easier. I'm just going to put minimal decorations, just so I've got less to fiddle about with and put away and to store. I've got a bauble on here that I put on every year. It's a memory of my dog Dexter. He died when he was nearly 4. He got cancer, and you know, he was my best friend. He was a lovely dog, and I always remember him. So I put this little bauble on every year now for the last 7 years. He's been gone 7 years, and he was just adorable. Not as much of a pain in the backside as Wilson is, but he was, you know, he was a character. So I put that bauble on every year for him. I think my sister got me that actually. And up here I've got, if anyone remembers Home Alone and the turtle doves, this is done from the cast from the actual dove that was in the film. I bought myself one. I also bought my daughter one, so she's got one as well. So it's 2 turtle doves, and you give one to someone you love or a friend. And I gave it to my daughter to put on her tree. So they're really sweet. So if you've seen the movie, I think it's Home Alone Lost in New York, you'll see these little turtle doves.